water you turned into wine. You open the eyes of the blind. There's no one like you. There's none like you. Into the darkness you shine. Out of the ashes we rise. There's no one like you. There's none like you. Our God is greater, our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. Into the darkness you shine, and out of the ashes we rise. There's no one like you. There's none like you. Our God is greater, our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. Our God is greater, our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? What can stand against us? So what can stand against? What can stand against us? God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God. And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? And if our God is for us, then who could ever stop us? And if our God is with us, then what can stand against? What can stand against? Oh, what can stand against? What can stand against us? Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Our God by Chris Tomlin. If you liked some of the advanced guitar chords that you saw in this arrangement, I've got you covered. There's a link to a tutorial on how to play this arrangement down in the description below. Also down in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your guitar playing and instantly level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.